Hey guys, welcome to another tech video. If you're getting a blue screen of death like me, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to actually back up your information with this. Of course, the automatic repair never works, so all you have to go to advanced. You have to go to troubleshoot, advanced options, command prompt. Let me enter the password. So when it opens the command prompt, what you have to do is just type notepad. Just type notepad and it will open the notepad, what you call it, software, and you will have to tap on files, open, and as you can see, and just go to this PC. You can see your drivers right here, what you have, if you have a SSD or what. I just connected a USB right now, so we're gonna open another notepad to actually copy that. Just open another. Let's move this to there, and let's move this to a different location. We're gonna do the same method. We say open, and for this I'm gonna go on my USB driver. You have to remember, you have to click here and say all files, so it can actually show. I just pick up my files right now and go on this to say all files, go down. This is my main memory, so yeah, I'm gonna go to users. This is the main user. Downloads, I have a lot of downloads on this, so what you have to do is just, let's say these are all GTA SA mods. Let's say you just wanna back up these, you just left click and go to copy, go to your flash drive, and you're gonna paste it there. But the best way is to get this. If you want to back up a lot of things, you have to get almost the same spaces you have it, the same memory space as your, what you call it, the driver that you already have in the PC. So it might not show here because you have to refresh. And might go back and go back in, and you can see the mod is just loaded in. So it just do these things one by one. So you can just copy like the whole file like this. I can't copy it because I'm just using the, what you call it, the flash drive for just, I wanna copy. I'm downloading Windows on my phone, so I wanna copy Windows to this and just reinstall or recover Windows with the old version. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you wanna, I'm gonna have some different tutorials on my screen right now, and I'll catch you on that video.